What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today in this video, I got something awesome in the mail. What is this? Okay, so basically what I got was, well, everybody knows the Fidget Cube, right? And the fidget spinner. Well, you know about the fidget stick? Because I just got this. My dad ordered it last night, and it came in just today. So, it came in from pretty close by. So here it is. He said it costed like $3. It is the fidget stick. It looks really cool. It has a wooden look to it and red ends to it. So, didn't clean off this counter. Whatever. So, here it is. Let's see how it works. That's pretty cool. It doesn't really work well, there we go. That's pretty good. But it's kind of, it's pretty cool actually. I quite like it. So, this is the fidget stick. It has 3 lines right here on each side. And it goes from kind of a thinner area to bigger. It's pretty cool. So I have seen that you can do like tricks with it. Like doing this and then once it hits the ground and goes over, you just like stop it with your hand and then let it go back or something. But I can't do that. Oh. So that's pretty cool. Here, I can't do it, but maybe sometime soon. So here's just the regular fidget spinner. Well, not the regular, it's just kind of a different type of fidget spinner, but it's a fidget spinner. Fidget cube. So this one just spins. You can do whatever with it. And here's the stick. It doesn't always work. I think you have to like press more down with it. Like press more down while you're gonna spin it. Yeah. Might take a little bit of practice. Ooh. I'm not very good at it, but it's pretty cool. I quite like it. Oh, that's pretty good. I think you're just supposed to like tap it right here. I don't know, but it works. You can do that. I'll just do that. It does roll. It's like a roller. So it's pretty cool. I quite like it. It's just a fidget spinner thingy. Well, it's not fidget spinner. I keep on thinking, like, all the fidget items, I always call them, like, fidget spinner. There we go. So tell me what you guys think about it. Do you, if you guys already have a fidget spinner and a fidget, oh my gosh, and a fidget stick, just tell me which one is your favorite. I kind of think that the fidget sticks are more fun to use because it's kind of a bit more challenging, I guess, to actually get it to roll better and figure out how to do that. But this, you just spin it. There's nothing really to it. But I think it's pretty cool. Now, if you guys are wondering where we bought this, we got it off of Amazon. You can buy it off of eBay or something. But it's pretty cool. I think it's awesome. It's definitely something to do, yet it is noisy. Ooh. So yeah, guys, that is the fidget stick. May just do some other future videos about it later. Oh my gosh. So that is it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye.